I want to talk about something genuinely important because this is the area of AI most likely to actually affect you or someone you love. AI scams, and more importantly, exactly how to protect yourself from them. I am not telling you this to frighten you. I am telling you because understanding this is real protection. Let us go through it calmly. The reason scams have become more dangerous is that AI now lets criminals create very convincing fakes cheaply and quickly. Let me walk you through the main ones and the simple defense against each. The first and most important is the voice scam. AI can now copy a person's voice from just a short sample, perhaps taken from a video they posted online. Criminals use this to make a phone call that sounds exactly like a family member, usually saying they are in trouble and need money urgently. It is designed to make you panic and act fast. Here is your protection, and it is powerful in its simplicity. If you ever get an urgent call from a loved one asking for money or sensitive information, pause, hang up, and call them back on their usual number. A real family member will completely understand. And do this now, today. Agree a family password with the people closest to you. A simple secret word. If someone calls claiming to be family in an emergency, you ask for the word. A real loved one will know it. A scammer never will. This single habit defeats the most dangerous AI scam there is. The second is the fake message scam. AI makes it easy to write convincing, personalized emails and texts pretending to be your bank, a delivery company, or an official body. They look more professional and personal than the clumsy scams of the past. Your protection. Never click links in unexpected messages, however official they look. If your bank appears to message you, do not use the link. Go directly to their official website or app yourself, or call the number on the back of your card. Always go to the source directly, rather than through any link you were sent. The third is the fake person scam. AI can create entirely convincing fake profiles, fake photos, fake conversations used in romance scams and investment scams. The person seems completely real over weeks of messaging. Your protection. Be cautious with anyone you have only ever met online, especially if conversation eventually turns toward money or investments. A genuine connection never pressures you financially. If someone online you have never met in person starts guiding you towards sending money or investing, treat that as a clear warning sign, no matter how real they feel. Now, here is the single thread that runs through every one of these, and it is the most important thing I can give you. Almost every AI scam relies on making you feel a strong, urgent emotion: fear, panic, excitement, love, so that you act quickly without thinking. The scam needs your speed. So your greatest protection is simply this: when something makes you feel a sudden urgent emotion and pushes you to act fast, that is the exact moment to slow down. Pause, breathe, verify through another channel. Talk to someone you trust before acting. That calm pause is something no AI can take from you, and it defeats almost every scam there is. Please share this one with the people you love, especially older family members. It genuinely protects them. We will keep looking out for each other and learning together. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.